What's good, y'all? It's your boy B, man. I'm back with another video, and woo, we about to wreck. Come on, cuz. But anyways, we on the way to Acura to go pick up my truck, man. I had to go get the transmission fluid done in the MDX. They say you're supposed to do it every 30,000 miles, so that's what we had done today. But as you can see by the title, though, we will be unboxing today, man. I stopped by my mom's house and I got the K Sport shocks, man, the coilovers, man. They came in, so I was like, I'm gonna just wait till we get on camera before I unbox them. So y'all know what we gonna do, man. Let's go ahead and start by running that intro, and then we'll go ahead and get to the rest of the video from there. We in Big Legs. I got the fam with me. I got my wife behind the camera. My kids are sick at the moment, so if y'all hear some coughing, you know, it's all good. But yeah, man, like I said, we finna go pick this car up, and then from that point, you know, just take y'all with me. Gotta run to the bank, do some little money transactions, and then from that point, we can finally get back to the house, man. I'm juiced. I have a couple of concerns about coilovers, but I think we'll be all right, though. You know, I'll be overthinking in my head sometimes, trying to figure out, did I make the right move, or is this gonna work, or is the fitment gonna be right, all this other stuff. So, you know, I'm gonna just kind of share that with y'all when we do the unboxing. But for right now, I will get back to y'all when we get to Acura. Y'all can take a look at the truck. It's been a minute since I showed that car. So yeah, y'all can see the MDX. And I might even have some future plans for that car. I'll get into that when we get there and see the car. But I'll see y'all when we get to the dealership, man. All right, man, we pulling up now, and I see my baby. Y'all ain't seen the MDX in a little minute, but there she go. Like I said, just got the transmission service done on it, so yeah, we about to go ahead and pick that bad boy up right there. All right, man, we got that truck back. That tinted windshield hitting on it too. But yeah, y'all see this thing, man. Still got the foes on there. Just put some new tires on this car maybe a couple of days ago. Just put a set of new tires on it. 275, 30, 24. But yeah, man, truck still holding. Still looking good. You know what I mean? Be the growth on the plate. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just got the transmission fluid flush done. And then I had just got it serviced like maybe a month ago. And now next up, because I'm at 90,000 miles, so next up I'm gonna come back and get the timing belt and water pump done and go from there. So yeah, we about to hop in this joint and get it back to the house.
Too much at stake, but that hunger make room on a plate. Need that big house, 8 rooms and a lake, no cheat code. Learn to stay true to the game. None but every single bruise got a painful story behind it. Call back home, then I'm reminded. Know the fam probably think I forgot. I'm too ashamed to talk about my problems, so I'm silent. So sorry, auntie, I ain't make the time. But I hope you understand now. You watching that war with myself, I can't stand down, I promise. Calculate my steps, every move made with logic is driving me crazy. I done ran all my mileage up. Yeah, and know them bills still piling up, but they honest now. But take a step in my shoes, you couldn't run them out. Or have that, niggas wonder how I do it. So many lows, I'm always under the influence. It's all in my notes, I learned to turn it into music. Spinning out of control, trying to solve it like a Rubik's Cube. With the short end of it, look at what I grew into. I'm the big dog, too ill with it, got these niggas sick, dog. Whole team coming clutch like I'm rich.
We in the garage now, about to bust out these K Sports like I promised. Let's take a look, man. So here go the box, you feel me? And yeah, we about to go crazy. Before I even open these, let me tell you what my concerns were. So my concern is not with the back. As you see, the back is actually flush. This is gonna be just fine, right? But the front is kind of my problem, because what I'm realized, I got this little bit of poke right here when the wheel is straight. So I just want to make sure I ain't gonna have no rubbing issues. I'm just hoping, hopefully, worst case scenario, maybe roll out the front fenders, and then when the car get lowered, it'll have enough natural camber to where it'll just slide right through. But that's if I drop it. But I think we should be all right. You know, my shocks is hella old, and I know it said that the K Sports usually are like a half an inch to an inch lower than factory. So this car already sit lower than what it normally would because these shocks are just old and worn. So I think we should actually probably sit about where it's at. It's for sure in the front. The back might be a little bit lower because I got spacers actually holding the back ones up to keep it stiff. So we'll probably sit more even. If anything, maybe a little bit lower. So I think we'll be all right. But yeah, man, that's my only concern for real in regards to the coilovers. But then I'm also thinking, like, you know, they got the little adjustable dampeners and all that stuff so we can make the ride stiff so we don't have too much bounce, and then we shouldn't have too much rub going on. So I think we'll be all right. We're just gonna play that when we get to the shop. But yeah, man, I got my little knife here. We about to bust these bad boys open, man. Let's see what we can do. All right, let's see. All right, cool. And then I guess we should open this right down the middle. So, all right, let's see here. All right, let's see if that do it. Yes, sir. Here we go. All right, here we are. Got all the little extras and stuff needed here. I just want to at least bust out one of the actual shocks, man. Oh, yeah. That's nice right here. Look at this, y'all. Ooh-wee. Yeah, ooh, these is heavy, too. These hecka heavy. Nah, I think we're going to be all right. To be honest, I think we're going to be all right, man. I just talked to James again today. He was saying it'd be cool to bring the car out either Tuesday or Wednesday out to Sacramento. So I'm going to aim for Tuesday, just the sooner the better. Y'all probably get that video by maybe next Thursday, if not Tuesday the following week. I've been kind of on it with the recording lately. So, you know, y'all going to get that soon, though, seeing these mounted up. And in this video that I'm recording, you'll probably see on Tuesday itself. So, yeah, man, y'all keep a lookout. But he said we should be good to do it on Tuesday. Like I said, I already told y'all my concerns, but I think we'll be all right. And then apparently there is an alignment shop right next door to him, so I could hopefully get that done at the same time. Or hopefully my alignment just ain't too bad, so I won't be doing too much trying to drive the car back 100-something miles getting back to the Bay. And then, you know, obviously I could take it to one of my spots for the alignment, worst case scenario, but we gonna see. But yeah, like I said, man, I'm just juiced about it. I'm happy with them. They look cool. I think we gonna be good, man. Like, I actually think we're gonna be all right now that I look at them and just kind of got everything out of my head as far as like my worries and concerns. Like, we gonna be good. We gonna be Gucci. So that's pretty much it, man. You know, appreciate y'all rolling with me today. You know what I mean? On my quick little mission going to get the MDX. Hope y'all enjoyed the little rolling content with that. Oh yeah, before I forget, my plans with the MDX. Honestly, I just want to do a chrome delete on that car, to be honest. Like, I want to do a chrome delete, at least majority of the chrome I want gone. Let me just go outside. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. What I'm trying to do is delete like most of the chrome, but not all of the chrome. So I want this to be gloss black. I want all this around the windows gloss black, but I'll leave the chrome because I need something to match the wheels. So I'll leave the chrome on there. Then on the front, what I want to do is I want to delete all this. I want all this gloss black. I want that gloss black, but we'll leave the emblem and we'll leave the badge. You know what I mean? Just so it has just enough to play off of the wheels. And then on the back, what I'm trying to do is delete the hideous chrome bar here and get rid of that bar gloss black, but then I'll leave the emblem and I'll leave the pipes. Like I said, I like a little bit of chrome, but just not like too much chrome. So just wanted to get that done. So that's pretty much kind of it with this truck. On top of that, just like some ambient lighting that I want to throw in here, like along, you know, like the trims here, along the doors, little stuff like that, just to kind of get the truck set. Because I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, like I'm not too pressed on getting another new car for a while. I'm just more trying to keep up with what I got, and then you know, just fix up the Legend, man. That's fix up the Legend and my coupe, man. I gotta show y'all that still, but yeah, that's all I'm really thinking of when it comes to the truck. But that's it though, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all once again rolling with me for another video, another little adventure. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, keep up with all the uploads, and I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video, man. Peace.